Just to give a minute. I observed this. This is great actually. What he said is when 99% you are sure you are going to win, then only you need to go for trades. Okay, just see here. This is a weekly CBG.
Mm-hmm.
This is a daily time frame. Price respected this. Okay,
Okay.
now it came down.
Okay.
Ideally, next candle should be creating a FEG, right?
Or it
Yeah,
should be sweeping at least till that swing low. I mean,
yeah.
next
It
swing low.
should close below the swing low,
Yeah.
right?
It was a nice rejection as per
What
the
happened?
conscience.
Yes, it went like this. Okay, so okay. Considering once it touch the weekly CB, if we go for some 4 hour CSD, we can take the entry. Everything okay.
Okay.
But the next time when it touches this, you should not take the trade.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
ideally it
Yes.
should have gone down.
Yes.
Because the second time it's coming
Ah.
back, it means it is less stronger to
Just see the
push the
rejection,
price
G.
down.
See that upper wick, that the candle number one you have marked right. See the rejection
Yeah,
from top.
yes,
So
exactly.
if we are seeing that kind of rejection, then ideally it should have gone down, and that swing
Exactly.
low should be our next DOL.
Yeah, yeah. But one more thing here. Here also when it touched it, also rejected back actually. I don't think now. But the thing is, it should not come to this
Yeah,
thing in the first place, right?
the rejection is the
So
second category. First of all, it should not come up itself.
exactly. So what we should not do is, even though it rejected now, maybe if I take this trade, we will be in profit. I don't care
Hmm.
about that. We should never take the trade in this because out of 100 trades, literally 70 trades will be lost if it comes like this.
Okay, G. Just for learning purposes, what we would have done ideally, just go back, just go to the previous image. That
Yeah.
weekly CP has been tapped, and as per our current knowledge or current learning, we would have marked that
Hmm.
rejection candle as our weekly OB, right? Weekly bearish OB, the second candle.
Uh,
Ah,
this one, right?
yes. Then on third candle, I mean the next week, it has spoke to that weekly OB deeper inside, and it is rejecting again from the weekly CB.
Here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, say for example, this is daily time frame, right? Yeah, daily time frame means ideally would have looked for 1 hour CSD.
Yes.
So in this case, hypothetically, if an entry has been given after tapping that weekly bearish OB,
No. No. Since it happened like this, I didn't have credibility on this. I will wait for next daily FEG to form
no
before
G,
making
what
entry
I'm
on this
asking
side.
is, at the end of the third candle only, we are knowing that this is a huge rejection. At the
Yeah,
starting
yeah,
of the
G.
third candle, it could have rejected from that
It's
weekly
it's
OB at first.
it's very simple, G. Actually, the thing is, when it touched here for weekly CB, I will look for a thing in 1 hour ST plus 3, right?
Ah, okay, 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 fine. Yeah, got it.
That context for weekly is over for me. I didn't get any context in daily time frame.
Okay, so now you're
Okay,
saying that 1 hour ST plus 3,
I
right?
would
So in that
yes, one
case,
hour ST plus 3.
so in that case, your context low will be the first candle low, candle number
Yeah,
one
this
low.
one
Okay, okay.
daily time frame. Yeah,
So once it
I
has
mean
been
not
reached,
not actually my thing is very simple. G. I will first of all look for 2 hour.
hmm.
Okay, because when it touches here for weekly context, my weekly low stop loss will be here actually, right? The weekly candle low.
Mm-hmm.
Our entry will be like 1 hour plus 3, right?
Mm.
So maybe I got something here and within this I made some 2 hour profit.
Okay.
Yeah, Manthan, you are saying something. Yeah, say man.
Misclick, man. Sorry.
Okay, cool. So the thing is, for weekly context, this entry is fine. But daily, I don't have the context. So even though it gives the rejection, after seeing the 1 hour this 1 hour OB also, I will not go for take the trade because as long as we are considering only daily efficiency as the
G, just a minute. I'm getting it out here. See, now
yeah
we have got that the daily OB created, right? Daily bearish OB created.
here yes
So after the daily bearish OB has been created, now I guess that candle number two ka low is our next context, right?
yeah if we consider daily OBS through context PDRA.
Yeah. So in this case, as already we have this candle number two low as our context, if
Mm.
we have got an entry in 1 hour CSD, whether it would have gone or not.
With the current knowledge, what I'm thinking is I'm only limiting my context area to FEG only
Okay.
because I hope this will give more than like 3 to 4 entry per week.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm guessing. So I thought of eliminating even the OB.
Okay.
But the simplest thing, I'm just going to apply the filter.
Okay.
I
Okay.
reducing my filter so narrow that only FEG is going to pass through that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
what I said, this weekly CB, I will take weekly entries. That's for sure. But
Hmm.
daily, I will not consider entering from here if I don't see any daily FEG. Okay, maybe see here. The thing is, if you go for OBs in 4 hour and day, okay, maybe in if you minor swings only daily we look into it,
Hmm.
we will have lot of entries will be there. Like definitely will take more than 30 entries. I'm damn
Yeah.
sure about that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because
We'll be
last time it was get to
already we are
40
having
entries actually.
25 plus pairs.
Hmm.
Anyhow, at least 2 entries per pair will be given per month.
50
50
things will
entries.
come.
In those 50
So what?
entries, if you are filtering for high probability ones, means easily we can narrow it down to 30.
Yes, but just once again, just let me complete it here. But what my objective is, okay, number of trades is my first concern. Okay, but before that, what I allow is I will only look for daily FEG to for my starting point. Okay, if the daily assume this is a daily FEG. Okay, if
Mm-hmm.
daily FEG is tapped and price is respecting farming on 4 hour BC CB and 1 hour CB, then till the daily context we can take multiple entries here. This is
Mm-hmm.
the high probability entries, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here we can take 2 entries in the same pair within the same day actually.
Okay.
But I will not go look for some another pair and go for a OB and go for the entry
Okay.
because if this is a daily CB, my train is already started to move. No
Mm-hmm.
resistance. Now I can jump into the train and get the move captured.
Okay.
Okay, but if I okay, mostly I will not go below 1 4 hour actually. 1 hour is not now
No, if
as urgent.
if you are looking for short-term confirmation, means we need to confirm for daily it's 1 hour, right? 1 hour short-term.
A daily ST entry means 1 hour. ST plus 3 means 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's our job. But okay, I will not talk about the entry model now. It can be CSD as well. But
Hmm.
what I fixed is I will not go for any entries other than FEGs at this
Hmm.
moment. That's what I decided.
Mm-hmm.
FEG, daily FEG or 4 hour FEG.
Okay.
Let's do the backtest for this. The hindsight, it's enough.
Okay.
Let's do the backtest. Let's see how many entries we get for daily FEG and 4 hour FEG.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That will, and the A plus setup will be a daily the 4 hour FEG forming within the daily FEG context area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just assume this is the AFE starting point and this is the context area end. So within this, if you form a 4 hour FEG, that is A plus. Let's see how many of this such kind of trades give the positive results to us. Let's take 50 minutes CST only. No need to go for ST plus 3 and all.
Okay.
Just see this. Suppose it only gives us 10 trades, but out of 10 trades, 6 trades of profit, this is a huge increase, right?
Yes.
The
Yes. Yes.
accuracy and
Definitely.
so that's what we can able to do the back test. So as of now, because I never see RJ taking any entries from OBs or FES mostly. 90% of time I only see him taking entries in FEGs.
Mm-hmm.
He confirms the trend using FEA.
Yes.
Whether
Yes.
trend
Yes.
is supporting or not, he confirms using FEA. Because since he also profitable, we only need 10 trades per month. Why just worry about that? Why worry about OBs and all?
Okay.
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 So
Let's
okay,
proceed to
I understand.
minus.
OB also will give the post strategy. We are trading OB since long time. But what I
Mm.
can see is whatever profit you're making, we also using, right?
Yeah. We are losing it.
So why not you just filter more actually, give a more filtering, and we can
Mm.
focus on the FEG. Eventually, FEG is very objective, right?
Mm.
It can be easily objectified, and also we also know what lot about the super FEG and the ultra super FEG like that, and the low probability FEG, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can work on let's do the backtest actually. But okay, maybe this week we can go with OB also. But I am focusing more on FEG from now on
Okay.
for backtesting.
Okay. Ji. We'll proceed.
Right, right, Jay. Okay. So coming back here. So today, okay, I hope everyone knows we started the monthly analysis. So it shows it's a kind of a thing here. We can see the perfect bullish candle here.
It has swept all the swing low.
Yeah, but last week I can see there's some rejection from the daily monthly candle. So I will go for neutral in monthly time frame, right, G?
AVD. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's
Yeah,
neutral.
I will go to neutral, and I don't have any monthly drawn liquidity as well. So we have like 21 pairs will be going somewhat faster. If anyone have any doubt, we can discuss because the thing is very simple. Unless until we don't have any argument that is clear. Even if you have one argument, we can just avoid that. Okay, right? Ji? The thing is here is priced. Okay, it created the FEG order flow. It's moving up, but at the same time, it is also showing rejection, but the rejection is
We'll
not
wait,
from
Ji. We'll
any
wait, Ji.
particular.
Let it close above that
Yes,
ITH. Then we can decide.
Yeah, we can let it close either here or let it keep another CB. Okay, if it's going to go up, let it cross above this.
Yes, yes,
Because the
yes.
structure is clearly downwards right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
So let it break this. I will do one thing. I will
Still,
break it.
still that weekly BC is also a valid one because it has swept all those previous lows and it
Yeah,
is a valid one. But still, this will not be
yeah, correct.
sufficient.
But let's see one more BC here. If suppose if like this it touched means I will have taken the trade here
Yeah.
because it should not allow it to form to the BC here at the first. So if I want to confirm bullish from this point, let it cross it here. Otherwise, let it turn and keep a CB here.
Let it form another leg.
So I'm not going for the daily time frame. I will put alert and we just move to the next time frame. Okay.
Yeah, weekly also, I guess everything is neutral.
Maybe I can put this waiting list now itself.
Okay.
Okay, Ji.
Hmm.
So let it cross. Suppose if we don't find any pair actually suitable, then we can come back here and look for the daily in 4 hour. We can look for some entries. Okay, Ji.
Okay.
That's what we decided.
In the
So
Excel itself,
again,
I
one
will be updating the waiting list as well.
okay, super cool, cool. Maybe you can add. Do you want
Yeah.
me to add an extra column?
No, no, nothing. We have already added that last column, right? High probability pairs. There will
Ah, cool,
be
cool. Oh yeah, fun.
updating
Yeah,
as
cool,
waiting
guys.
list. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and here, okay, the same thing prevails here also in new stick ad. It's a bullish and shows some kind of bearishness. So I'll directly go to weekly to look for some order flow and market structure. Okay. The thing is, it respected. I can't say respected because once it's respected, it's
Just to go
supposed
to
to
monthly
continue
ones.
for.
Just go to monthly ones. Music app. Hmm. Okay.
It's
While
a clear.
comparing,
We don't have any
no, while comparing that
recent like we
previous
don't have any.
monthly, that is fine. But during the down move, it didn't created any CB, but also it has swept all those swing lows there,
It is
and
showing some
it
bullish
has,
things only.
yeah.
And
So
this
if you are seeing candle things in monthly, I would say that intermediate, sorry, short term high will be our DOL, previous month high
yeah,
and short term high.
okay. Maybe I can mark this actually first of
I
all.
would say not neutral, bullish.
Yeah, it's bullish, but the order flow is not favoring actually.
No, no, order flow we cannot see in monthly, right?
No, the weekly order flow. I thought of going to weekly order flow and then coming this. The
See,
thing is
this is the
here,
ugly. This is the ugly 2CR.
exactly. What
This is
happened?
what just now Karthi told us.
Yes, it respected that it should have continued above immediately. At least it should not close us touch the below the previous candle lows. Understood, guys? When it touched this and respected this, next
Yeah.
candle should have closed above this. Got it?
Mm, mm,
Because this candle touches this FEG, so next candle should
mm,
minimum close above this. But that means it's consolidation. So weaker deficits in consolidation. So we cannot able to get some better entries in lower time frame. It will be SL hit. See, lot of wicks actually. We
Yes,
cannot
you
able
are
to
not
get
seeing any
single
momentum,
time frame.
right? After tapping that
Yes.
BC, the momentum is getting
Hmm.
lagged.
Yeah, if you go
yeah.
to 4 hour, you can see. Okay, just let me do one thing. Let me
Mark
mark
it
it
and go to
actually.
forever.
Yeah, if I just mark the weekly from this week to this week, you just see in 4 hour like this actually. Every
See,
time
Mm,
it forms a weekly, it's not respected. So just
mm,
imagine. I thought of explaining this to you. What happens is there will be manipulation move actually. It will move fastly up. So what we'll think, okay, price is correcting this loan going up. So when touches the FEG, we'll go for a trade. Then what happens? It will fastly come down. So we'll try to take every trade in this FEG, this FEG, this FEG, and everything will be isolate.
mm,
Okay. Even so, we may get something like this here. We may get the entry with that will pass, and here also we can get the profit. But if we try to take entries, everything will be it will be like luck actually.
this is what we
We
were
cannot fix
doing
that.
long. This is what we were doing long time
Yeah,
because
this
oh,
is what.
we will be getting high
Yes.
probability
mm,
entries, also low probability entries.
We'll
We'll
take
be
all
mm,
the
get
entry and
we'll be
both
making
one.
profits in the high probability entries, and without knowing this as a low probability one, again we'll be taking trades
Mm,
in this low probability condition, and we'll be losing all our
mm,
profits. That is why we're
yeah.
being a break even for a long time.
And moreover, our
oh,
psychology became like when we win the first trade in Music Cat, the Music Cat became like a darling to us.
mm,
Okay, so we will be biased to take the entries with that psychologically. Then we end up in this sketch of losses actually, losing streak.
mm.
So whatever money we make in Music Cat, we lost in Music Cat itself. Understood?
So never marry a pair. If there is no proper price action or no proper context area, just leave it.
Mm.
Mm.
There is no any
Okay.
hard and fast rule to withhold that pair.
Yeah. So by seeing the weekly itself, we decided not to go for this trade
Yes, yes.
because it's
Weekly
very
candle signs, it
clear.
is neutral.
Yes.
Market structure, I would say
Market
neutral.
is also ugly. It's
Neutral,
ugly.
neutral.
It's
Yeah,
see, the entire place is between. Leave it. That's all.
that's all. Leave it.
It's within this. Okay. Now go to ADCHF.
Cool. Yeah, UDCHF, bearish only. Currently, it is
We
expecting
can
that
have a
monthly
bearish.
FEA. So previous
Excuse me.
monthly low is our DOL.
Okay. Prices look like prices are respecting this, right? Okay. This is maybe I can mark it monthly FEA. Okay. It looks good somewhat. The structure is also good. Even the monthly time frame. Just see the structure, beautiful.
Yeah, yeah,
Monthly
yeah.
time frame itself, it's showing a beautiful structure, right?
Every
The
bearish
order flow,
period is
everything
being
is good.
respected and high is protected.
So, yes, when we have such a beautiful thing in the highest time frame, that's what we check. We have a lot of entries in low time frame. Definitely, when you wait for some bearish entry, definitely the bearish entry will sustain. We can capture the entire move, and the accuracy will be more. That is the power of higher time. Now going to back here. Now currently, what is happening is the situation is not that great actually, but the candle signs show that we have some rejection here, and also we still have rejection. But last minute, what happened? It showed a rejection. Let me just a minute. If this happened on the Friday, then I can consider for a bearish entries. Okay, you can see right here, this thing happened the last Friday, so there is more possible price can come down again because
Yes,
touching firstly
currently,
touching it, right?
currently it is resisted. But it has taken out that context flow already. But current candle flow will be a
Yeah.
new context.
No. Now only this. Yeah, because whenever it touches this, then only this become the context.
Hmm.
Only after it reaching the thing it touches here, now it become the context here.
Cool.
So I think weekly you can put bearish actually.
Weekly candle signs is also bearish, okay.
Yeah, bearish actually because the lastly it wouldn't happen.
Market structure
I
is
will mark
clearly
it
bearish.
previous week low. That is our target, first target drawn liquidity.
Cool. But
And but the
if
thing,
we
this is
are,
ugly. This is
but
ugly.
if you are seeing this in the view of Arjo, what he will say is it is respecting previous week's low and this closed inside.
Oh yeah, that's also right. As per candle sense, right?
So what Arjo will be saying is this is respecting previous week's low and just closed inside. So
Mm.
ideally he will move to sidelines till further
Yeah,
information.
yeah, it's right actually. But what I can see is
But in daily we
based
can
on
see it is rejecting from that daily FEG.
but the problem is the daily is nowadays creating the thing actually, but it's
No,
suspecting. See
already it
here,
has formed a order flow here.
yeah, two legs are already formed. I understood. Okay, but I think this actually changed actually.
Yeah,
Now we can go for it. G.
yeah. But the thing
So
is, it
thing
should
is,
not give entry in the ante.
yeah, it's here.
They
I think
just
it
see
already
whether he has already given the entry or not.
one
Mark that the
minute.
daily FEG and seen one hour.
First of all, first leg formed, second leg also formed. So it confirms weekly basis turn to the day. I mean, what I say
Daily
bearish
bias is
thing.
bearish.
Yeah.
Go to 4 hour.
Okay, 4 hour. Maybe we can have the 4 hour. It's ugly. That's the reason yesterday we thought no 4 hour we won't take any trade here. But daily, let's assume it will not. It's not created actually. We're waiting. Oh, done na. Wait a minute.
What?
When did touch it?
Mark
Oh,
that
it
the
already
daily
done.
FEG.
This is the daily FEG. If trading is this FEG on Monday, then
No.
wait for
Actually, it
Friday
is
high.
giving a re-entry actually now. Now it is the actual entry. It has formed an OB.
No.
And the next candle was an
It should not.
explosion.
No. It shouldn't come down. See here. This is the OB right? The FEG right?
See, mark the
When I
FEG
go to
once.
one more,
Mark it to daily
I
FEG.
marked. I marked it. This is FEG right? G. Oh, you're
Okay.
asking to
Okay.
daily FEG. See here. This is FEG already touched and it already gave entry. That's why it's gone. The context is over.
Okay.
It's done actually. No
Hmm.
trading opportunity so far. The thing is very clear. So you are right actually. From here to here only the context initially was there.
Hmm.
So after touching this only it came down. So the context is over. So no more trade in 1 hour and
We'll
no
wait
more
for
trade
one
in
hour
one day
sharp
also.
turn if you need to go for a short.
No. I need no. That's wrong. We are doing again. G. The daily context is completely over. So one
Oh,
hour
so
entries
then
no
previous
more.
day
We
high
should
is
look
our
for 1 hour.
so 2 CR is possible right now in daily.
No. I think when the 2 CR should happen, okay, maybe 2 CR is also possible. I agree, but it coming after correcting the context, right?
Yeah, that is fine.
It
Then
will, it
mark
will,
that the
it
daily
will look
FEA.
low probability. Yeah, it will be. Sorry, Ji?
Mark the daily
Oh,
FEA.
they,
Those consecutive
but still,
green candles. No. Mark the body. Mark the body above.
oh, okay. Body, okay, here.
Yes.
Yeah, Mandan, if you talk something, you can unmute and talk, man. Don't you text it because I didn't saw your text. It went like suddenly it's gone. Hey, what happened? Okay, I didn't. I think I marked a 4 FA.
Any visibility issue?
No. Instead of daily FA, I marked it as 4 FA, so it's gone.
Did you try placing
So,
alert
Ji,
now? Is it okay now?
okay. Yeah, so coming. Okay,
Cool.
Ji, my argument is very simple. Bro, I'm literally tired, man, coming after long traveling. Okay.
Okay, fine. Then watch the recording. Recording's all the way under the
Yeah, you can
progress.
if you want, you can take a leave, man. So, Ji, my argument is very simple. Price collected this, then only went down. It's already
Mm-hmm.
over.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, but again it's coming now. It again came here up to here.
Yeah,
So
so
I don't
previous day
trust
high
this
is our
actually.
next DOL, and after tapping previous day high, we'll wait and watch how it is reacting in daily FEA.
No, actually I think it's going up actually. So next context will be daily FEG and 4 also is not clear. See,
Yeah,
so I
4 hour
think
is
better
not
you
clear,
can
it's
skip this
complete
pair actually.
consolidation. Okay, then
You
leave
can
this
skip
pair.
this pair. Yeah, I know because if a daily FEG is intact, I will look for some entry because see here it created some messy thing around here.
But
So I will
still,
not
I
even
will add
continue.
this in waiting list.
No, Ji, you need to wait for 3 more days to form next FEG, right? And that will also. I mean, I'm not going to take a trade unless it form a CB.
Hmm, okay.
Understood, Jay?
Jay,
So
write a
for
comment here. Write an anchor test in this pair itself directly.
yes, Jay, what you need to add me?
Uh, Currently, price is in neutral in daily. Price is neutral in daily.
Yeah, it's as per the if the context is over, then noted. Yeah, that's all, G. It's simple. You know it already. The context is over, G. Actually, right?
No, Jay, anyhow, if
G.
daily CB is forming,
No, G. You can see the Mandal's comment as actually. If daily CB is forming, then we can look for the entry. Actually, that's clear. But for daily CB to form, it will take another three days will be there. So half of the week will be over.
okay, fine. Yeah.
But I suggest definitely it will go up. But then after some time, it will reject and come back.
Hmm.
This is ugly price action now.
Yeah,
And
anyhow,
4 hours
even
also
if it
not
is reaching daily PA, we are not going to take entry in daily PA, right?
exactly. Maybe I don't think
We
I
need to
should put
wait
it in
and
the waiting list
confirm.
for it.
Okay.
Maybe I
Yeah,
put it in the
anyhow, we
waiting list,
have
but
placed
let's
the
see.
alert, right? Okay, fine. Go to next pair.
So it's showing some rejection, so it can target the low. It can come back to low. That is the monthly. Right, G?
Wait a minute,
I'm
G.
going back to
I'm
view.
just adding remarks pair inside it.
Yeah, I can add. Yeah, good. That's good, G. You can add the remarks.
I
G
will
can
write the command in the
also
Excel directly.
take it here. Correct. Yeah, then and there you just started like this, G. So we don't need to repeat it again because
Hmm?
21 parts are there.
Yeah.
We
Wait a
don't need
minute.
to wait.
It's an AODCH.
Hmm.
Uh, missing pair. That's it. Oh shit.
Right, G?
Wait,
Oh,
wait, wait,
yeah,
wait, wait.
escaped.
I just gave escape on the different top.
I know.
Which one? AODCH, right? Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
I think we need to add one more thing here, like context. CS, MS, OF, and also context.
Context,
Wait.
anyhow, we will be deciding only after
Yeah, but okay, we are also not that much sure about the context, so we'll wait. But thing is very clear, Ji, actually. The structure is perfectly bearish. I agree. But the order flow, last two thing, the order flow is not respected here properly.
It is not. It is ugly to share.
Yeah,
Wait,
here
wait.
see, it's beautiful to see here. It's a
Hmm.
beautiful position here. But here, one rejection, the next one is not followed through, next one is also going, it's going up. So weekly, it's ugly. Okay. When you move to daily, we will find something. Daily, we have the structure is not good actually. It's moving up, but we have a bearish thing. So we have finally got the order flow here and price respecting. And daily context is over now. Are you ready, Ji?
Just one second. In monthly, it is beer, right?
It's bear. Monthly, it's bear actually.
Okay. In the
Channel
monthly,
sense is bear.
yeah. Currently, it's beer.
Oh, sorry,
Weekly,
sorry,
weekly.
sorry, sorry. Sorry, I can't say monthly is bear because now based
Ah,
on the last thing it's bear.
currently, it is
Suddenly it
rejecting
went
from
like this. So
there. But
yeah,
okay,
neutral. I
we
mean,
would say neutral, not beer.
neutral best thing.
In weekly,
And now in weekly, what happened? The rejection is not good actually.
neutral,
And
neutral,
again, you
neutral,
can see lot of
neutral,
bigs actually neutral.
neutral. Market
And
structure,
daily,
market
I
structure
think
is bearish, right? But
market is bearish actually, but order flow is not good
yeah, okay.
because the last FEG is not respected here. The
Okay.
last
We'll wait
leg
for
is
one more CB2 form. We'll wait.
yeah.
Context is good, but key level is not proper.
No, context is also not good. Actually, it should have
No, no.
rejected
In
from
weekly,
here,
you can
right?
see weekly we have clear context area low, like previous monthly low is our context.
No, G. That's DOL actually. This is the context area. Now
Yes,
the price is going into FEA.
yes.
It went to the FEA. Okay, I agree. FEA is also overlapping.
Ah,
So okay, I still agree. If until the price close above, I can have price will come here. I agree.
we'll wait for one more
The con-
weekly OB to form.
yeah, maybe I can mark this actually. This is a good thing to be noted because the context is not yet failed. That's what I will
Yes.
say because
Only when this
by
closing
context
above
is
that
not
weekly FA or taking out that high, we'll say context is failing.
mm, yeah because this is overlapping difference. I hope
Yes.
Manthan and Atul know overlapping difference, right?
See, first it
So
has rejected
I'm
from
sure.
FEA. Then it has gone inside that FEA and again it got rejected. Yeah.
Yeah, but okay, but this also ugly G actually. But you should
Yes,
have
yes.
rejected from
It's,
here.
it's ugly, but it is not failing. It is struggling.
It's not a failed there. Well, let's see. Maybe weekly context you're not taking any trade unless until I have weekly FEG.
Okay.
But with respect to daily, the structure is not good. I
Yeah,
assume.
daily it's ugly.
But last time we
But we
entered
can
here only,
say
right?
it has respected that soft turn and it has formed below.
Just let's wait for one more short turn to form. Unless until I'll keep this in waiting list.
Fine, fine. Daily market structure,
Market structure is not great actually. You can see here
I would say neutral.
neutral, right? So let's wait for one more CB to form.
Order flow, it's confirmed bearish.
It's confirming, not confirming. You need a minimum two
It's
legs.
confirmed actually, but no, anyhow, it is respecting, right?
No,
So
no,
it is confirmed, right?
no. What I'm saying is,
So it should have formed
here
another
the
BC
order
before
flow
after
is
tapping that CB, right?
disrespected. No. What my argument is, here the weekly the CB is disrespected, right?
Yes.
And also okay, maybe it touches this for the weekly if it's the second time. So I need double confirmation the lower time frame, like daily one time lower, for it to confirm go lower, right?
Hmm.
If already this is
Gee,
respecting
wait a
means,
minute.
but here
After tapping that the weekly FA for the second time, did it form that CB or before it formed that CB? Yes, view it once.
I think after touching only it formed this. Yes,
Okay,
after
fine.
touching it only it formed.
Okay, okay, okay.
But my thing is already touched here, right? This is very simple argument. You already
That's
touched
what,
here, it should
Gigi,
have
that is what it has
gone.
formed that weekly FA, right? First time it has
No, no,
formed
no,
that
no, no.
G.
No. See here. Big lens is here. Yeah,
Okay,
I
okay.
touched it for the first time. It touched it. That time itself, it shown some rejection. See here.
It has formed a
It
short
should
one as
have
well.
continued. Yes, it should have continued from here. But it's coming for second time. So I think last time itself we should not trade it here. This could have been a manipulation one.
Hmm.
Understood? Ji? Because it touched already and already gave the FEG.
Okay, okay,
It should
okay.
have
In
continued
daily, let
and
us
gone
wait for
lower.
one more CB to form. That's all.
Yes, yes. What I'm saying is the weekly CB is not respected, so we need 2 leg. If weekly CB respected, means 1 leg is enough for me to go and take the trade in daily. Right?
Okay, Ji,
So I will
fine.
put in waiting list and go to ADJPY monthly. So ADJPY, I see a good rejection here. Now also I will say it's a neutral one.
Yeah, that's
Because
swept
this
that.
T3 is strong.
No, I would say it's neutral, Ji.
Yeah, neutral only I will say. Just one minute, G. Let me
Hmm.
switch off the CAC. Okay, coming back to weekly here, what I say is the same thing. Let me discuss about. So this is not the FEA. Maybe this is the FEA. No, this is the
This is
FEA.
what
Is
we
not
took the trade.
respected. We took the trade, but that is not a great trade. I would say that. As
Hmm.
for Arju, because as per the Arju, what he said is this is the FEA, right? Weekly
Hmm.
FEA, right, G? This is
Hmm.
overlapping defense along with this is first line defense. Price didn't respect first line defense. That's a failure. It should have rejected from here immediately. That's also failure. So there is no point taking a shot from here unless until we just see the candle signs here and took the shot.
Hmm.
But daily
Because
context
we
is not
got
good.
a daily shop turn there.
Yeah, that's with the single leg we just enter right here.
Yeah.
But this could now be a manipulation. See here. Next we suddenly didn't get any further things right here.
Hmm.
So this also about low probability. Maybe if we might have gone for the 4 hour and looked for some kind of 2 legs. Here we might have entered the trade.
Hmm. That was a proper to see. Yeah.
Yeah, this was a proper because this can fail anytime. It might have failed actually. So here it also not collected this high. It came from somewhat from nowhere.
That
Right,
too
G?
seems like it is respecting that daily FA resting below. Daily FA overlapping with APG.
Hmm.
Below. Previous one. No,
This
not
one
that
now.
one. G. Current one. G. Currently, price is respecting that one.
This one you're saying, yeah.
That single has been taken and the daily FEA, which is overlapping with
This
FEG.
one, G.
FEAG, those two down
This one
close
is
candles.
this is
Yeah.
already done. This already GG. This is already done. See here, it's already done. This is
G,
left side
you're
is over. It's
considering that
not
big G. I'm saying that body.
which this body you're saying, G.
No, G, previous one. May 1st. That body. Yes.
No, G, no, G. See here, it's already done. It's covered, right? Why you're going so back actually?
No, G, see
It is
the
already.
current daily candles rejection. From where it is rejecting now.
That's why I'm saying it's not rejected from nowhere actually. This is the FEA now. G. This is left of the thing. They already shielded. Everything is got over here. Why we need to look here? Now this is the current here. Okay, let me make it clear, G. Actually, I think I
Just
put
zoom
some more.
slightly. Zoom
No, no,
slightly.
no. no just let me. Let's me put like this here. Now you say, okay. I need to go somewhere else back. Hmm. Okay. At this point, this is the FEA. Okay.
Okay.
This is broken now. So once it's broken, this became FEA. When price touched here and went up again up. So this value
Okay.
is entirely over.
Mm-hmm.
Right, G? Now just as just that's all one. It's not changing. Okay, maybe I can close this. It's very simple, G. See here. This is the thing you're talking about, right? This is the thing, right, G?
Yeah.
This is over because we found a new FEA here. Already ITH is broken, right? This is a new FEA. And that also broken, that also not respecting the price. Now
Okay.
this is the FEA. This is the FEA. Price should not breach close it above and should come back
Seems
like
like it is
this.
sweeping that FEA.
Yes, so that it means it's not ideal because it's going inside, right? The FEA is
Mm.
not good. So already the context is over for daily. So no need to
Okay.
look for anything other than this. So this is failing things. This is failing.
Every
Anytime
JPY
it can reverse and go back.
weekly also neutral, right? Neutral.
Weekly also it's neutral. It's happening like this. See, last week it
Market
rejected, but let's see. Let's wait for some CB to. I will keep this waiting list. If it suddenly if it reverses from here and make a CB, I may consider. Otherwise, we'll wait for some 2 more legs to form in 4 hour. See here. Lastly, what happened to the 4 hour? Everything collapsed,
Mm.
right?
Yeah. That is why
So
we
let
exited
me
that
wait for
position. Because after
Yes,
tapping that
yes.
CB, it has not formed
Yeah,
any
it's not
FPG in
even
the next leg.
exactly. It's not even moving. So let's wait for two more leg in 4 hour, or at least single. Okay, I suspect you need to form two more leg in daily to form to be a safe trader. Let's see. I will put a waiting list only, G.
Okay, fine. I'm not updating in
But
4
this
hour
is
G. It can be seen later. Till daily, I'm
okay,
updating
okay,
in for minus.
okay. Actually, so far I didn't get any good pair to tradable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because majors are good. That is why
Yeah,
minus are
that
getting consolidated.
yeah, exactly. This is a daily FE and price is not respecting the state. You got it, G. This is daily FEA.
Mm-hmm.
This is not the one actually. It is rejecting maybe from this. Okay, this is reject from nowhere
That's
actually.
swing low. That's swing low.
Maybe the Singlo.
Previous swing
Uh,
low.
uh,
Yeah.
I won't say this is a 2 CR rejection.
No, 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 no. I'm
Manipulation is
not
happening.
saying about 2 CR. It is rejecting from that swing low. That's it.
That actually speaking, this is a 2 CR for this. TP. When it came down, we can target up to the here.
Yeah.
Actually, this is
That
where
is
we
where we booked,
targeted
G.
actually.
That is where we booked
Yeah.
our profits.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That is what it should be used for, not for entry purpose.
Hmm.
I hope then also we will be not seeing anything here.
Okay, G, no issues. We'll
So
move to next pair.
neutral, yeah, weekly. I just moved to next pair actually.
Use JPY.
It's not clear actually.
Go to monthly.
It's not clear. Yeah, maybe somewhat bearish when candle signs
G,
compare.
monthly.
Monthly is not good, G. Same thing. Up,
G, it is
down.
getting lagged with 2-3 seconds. Just hold on for a second.
Oh, okay. Now clear, G.
Okay, it is expecting previous month's high and is rejecting low. I would say
Yeah,
neutral
neutral.
or monthly.
Currently bearish. It's
Okay.
nothing else can be taken here. If
Yeah, yeah,
we
yeah.
are
No, no,
here
no. It's
means
neutral, G.
I'll
It's
be very
neutral.
happy.
No need to decide anything
Yeah,
now. We'll move to weekly.
go to weekly. Weekly is a this is
Yeah, it is expecting that swing high and is rejecting now downwards.
basically, but
High is
I
getting
don't get any
safeguarded.
context. No context here
We
in weekly.
can aim till that weekly busy if needed.
Yeah, this is thing actually. Maybe in low time frame it creates, then we can look for it.
Because in every leg, I mean that swing high has been protected.
Hmm.
Currently,
Oh, sorry,
previous week low is our DOL. That's all. Go to daily ones.
One second. Weekly feature. Let's wait for one more leg to create. G. That's all. That's what I will be saying. Let's wait for one more leg to create. Otherwise, some wait for some two more legs in FEG, 4 hour FEG to create.
Wait a minute, I'm updating everything. Neutral, neutral, neutral. Everywhere it's neutral. Minus it is not
Yeah,
looking good this week.
that's not looking good actually. But when you see it clearly, G, one thing we can notice the entire March month in daily time frame, we didn't get the daily context properly here and here also,
Mm-hmm.
right? But so I think with the two legs of 4 hour, we can look for some entry, but we should not give first preference to this.
Okay.
Okay, I will keep it as a waiting list. One second, sorry. Yeah, sorry, G. Yeah,
Okay.
we are saying like daily also the context is over right now. Maybe as you said, G, weekly FEG can be our next thing here. But what I suggest is okay. Previously, we might have taken the trade like this OB and everything's clear, but it's not good, right? In
Mm,
4 hour also, it's not good, right? We can be silence.
yes, yes, yes. See, it is not respecting that CB.
Yeah,
Recently formed CB. It is
it's
going
going
higher.
up.
So that the 4 hour swing high is our
Mm.
next DOL. So it is choppy. We'll move to sidelines. That's all.
Okay.
Guys, is it getting delayed or only I'm getting in that way? Atul, do you see Karthik's speeds? Is there any delay in his feed?
I think if it's delaying for you, I think that every person will be delayed, G.
Okay.
G,
But audio is not getting delayed.
maybe Okay, audio is not delaying, but chart is delayed.
Yeah, only
Ah,
telecast.
Due to
delay
OB,
is there. Delay is there.
delay is there. Okay, I think. Okay, I thought it's due to OBS, but I think OBS is not the thing.
Okay, fine, okay, fine. Audio is not getting delayed. Only 2 to 3 seconds delay. We can manage.
Why is
Okay,
it like
maybe.
if majors are giving opportunity, then minors will not give like that?
Yeah, yeah, man. You can see here is AID CHF. You see both AID and CHF both are majors, right? So if
Ah,
AID is also trending, JHF trending, what happens?
It will get balanced.
It will balance it in
oh,
silence. That's all.
oh, okay.
If any one is not trending means it will give something. It will move like this.
Think
Ah,
like a tug of war, man.
okay,
Mm.
okay.
One
That
end the
means
AUD.
we will get some trade either in major or angular
Yeah,
or in
in
minor.
minus. Yes, yes, yes.
Ah,
So monthly is somewhat good G actually. Structure is also good. Okay, what happened?
Yeah, monthly bearish. Okay, fine.
Bearish. It's good to have
Catch
the bearish
yourself.
thing.
Weekly.
Again ugly.
Weekly, they suspected previous week low.
See, this is also good actually, but this is ugly.
No, weekly,
See,
they
last
suspected
rejection.
previous week low. No, 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 no. It is sideways. It should have closed below that previous week low, not above.
Yeah, no series formation. Not good G.
Neutral, neutral. Okay,
We don't get the clear direction.
fine. Go to
Okay.
JPY. Monthly also, I guess it is consolidating.
No, no, no one, sir. No one. Nothing G. See, monthly is worst. Last 3 months worst.
Hmm.
No direction. Went up, went down, went up, went down.
No, it
You
is
can see in
creating
the
context
weekly.
below. Those swing lows are our
Yes.
targets, but it didn't confirm.
No, no G. See, it's worst.
Hmm.
No waste. I mean, don't waste time here. Right?
Yes, yes,
Weekly.
yes. We'll avoid this.
And go to daily.
Go to AUD, Euro AUD. Okay. Seems like bearish. There is a solid rejection from above, and it is.
Structure is bullish actually, but now the candle is
No, no,
going
no. Don't
down.
see the structure analogy. Now see the previous candle's rejection and
Correct.
current candle's low. Yeah. So that monthly FEG is our DOL, or at
Okay,
least
let's see
FEA.
whether okay weekly is suspected. It looks good actually. Ji.
Zoom in. Ah, okay, that's happening. Okay. So I would say monthly it's bearish, Euro AUD. Weekly also bearish. Uh, See whether in 4 hour we got a sharp turn or not.
Yeah, once again, G.
Okay.
Let's mark the thing here in the weekly.
See for market structure, what we can do
What
in
what
weekly,
G?
in weekly market structure, what we can update.
Here,
Hmm.
market is bullish only. Neutral. You market neutral actually.
Yeah, because we got the sharp turn there.
Mm. Short term is for the order flow, but it's neutral. Certainly, it went up. See,
That was because that weekly FEG 2CR, Pakka 2CR.
that is also a kind of near ugly to here because it rejected from here, here, and here. All
Hmm.
of a sudden, it came back,
But
reversed,
it
and
hasn't
continued
swept
going
to the
back.
previous candle high, right? So still I will agree. Yeah,
Yeah, it's okay, but Arjo used to say first candle all rejected already. So second candle should follow through.
yeah. You were saying about 1 CR.
The AG. But when they come for the second 2 CR, okay, maybe you can say actually you're right. It's not swap, so we can consider technically we consider.
Fine, fine. But okay, that is out of our department discussion. Now
Yeah, It's coming down. It can come down actually.
Weekly order flow is fixed. Okay, daily.
Daily is
Okay,
disrespecting this, so I can say we can be somewhat mild bullish.
not mild bullish, G. That is neutral,
Sorry, mild
or I
bearish.
would say
Mild.
bearish.
Sorry, mild bearish only I said mild bullish. Mild bearish because
Okay,
I can see here it's
nice
closing
rejection.
sharply
That is nice rejection from
below.
the weekly FEG.
Yeah, it doesn't respect this next day. What I expect is I expect a CB here now.
Hmm.
So my context should be clear.
Monday candle
Here
should
I can
form a
trade.
CB.
So maybe I can put
Also,
this
OB
in
is
red.
formed as already.
Yeah, the OB is formed. Okay, I can mark the OB.
But now in daily market structure is neutral or bearish one.
Neutral. Market is bearish actually.
Bearish one, bearish one.
Yeah, those are broken and this high is not taken out, right?
The high is
I would say
taken out
neutral
already.
only.
But that was the
Neutral,
weekly
neutral,
FEG, right?
neutral. I will say.
Yeah, but wait a minute. But yeah, no ITL has been taken out. So as long as this ITL has been taken out,
Hmm.
we need to say it is bullish only. But
See here, I just say the thing is very clear here. What we can say is, current only ITL. It
here
happened
every
here. So
ITH has been protected, right? Every ITH has, sorry, STH has been protected and every STL has been violated.
yeah, that's but here last time it cut the STH, but it's manipulated. So I will
Yeah.
consider we can go
Yeah,
for
we
a
can say it is
bearish.
bear only. Bearish we can say.
Yeah, we can say a mild bearish one actually.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We can take a bearish entries actually, no doubt in here.
Order flow is also bearish. Okay.
Yeah, order flow in daily it's not bearish, but it's violating the
Yeah, order
daily
flow I would say
BC. So
neutral.
hmm, see here waste.
Yeah.
Now only it's showing some good movement. Let's see whether it's continuing or not. Then we can fix the context. But I kept a red actually here.
Hmm.
Let's
4
see.
hour just now it has formed a bearish one.
It's
Order
not
flow
that
is
much great G, but it's okay. I will say it's okay. I'm moving to GB USD G.
okay.
GB80. Monthly it's showing some bullish tinge now.
But it hasn't
Somewhere in
tapped
the
that monthly PG, right?
yeah, it didn't tap it.
Hmm. Suspicious.
Hmm.
There is no chance
That's
for
I think
reversal as
all
well.
time. Yeah, no, it's not.
No,
Structure
no,
is
no. It
okay,
has
fine. We will do
having level above.
a good.
I would say
Yeah,
neutral
going
in
to
monthly. Weekly. Hmm.
just good
Bullish.
actually until this candle formed.
Weekly is bullish. And it has also respected that weekly FEG and FEA. So yeah,
Which
that
FE
intermediate
you're
swing
talking
high.
about, G?
Yeah, that yeah, no. The next one, next one. Swing high, weekly swing high. Yeah, that is our DOM.
But my thing is, it's also I think consultation only. You see here, it's supposed to form this much huge thing, but suddenly it fall down. It's reduced
Uh,
here. It is also not respected.
yeah,
So
you're
that's
right.
what. So consultation only. It's not a great thing actually.
Okay, weekly
If
candle science is
we were
also.
here, if we are here, actually, it's a good move. Actually, this is
Hmm.
spoiled everything.
Yes, you're right. Neutral. Market structure is bullish actually. Order flow. Weekly order flow is bullish.
Mm, weekly order flow. Weekly order flow is neutral. G. Nothing is here. See the last leg. This is the last leg, right?
Yeah.
The order flow is very simple. G. Just look on the last leg. If in the last leg we find any FEG, that's order
Okay,
flow.
okay, fine. Yeah, neutral.
Full daily.
What about daily?
Ugly, ugly sharp turn. Nothing sharp. Nothing. G. Not good. G.
Updated G.
I will not
Continue on.
consider this.
Okay, leave it.
Yeah, I got the cat.
Monthly neutral.
Slowly the volume is reducing. Neutral.
Monthly FEG is
Okay,
there, the bottom.
what happened to our indicators?
It will be loading. Wait a minute.
No, suddenly something happened. Nothing is showing the indicator.
Okay, go to settings and see.
Do you want me to save?
Just reload the page, no issues.
Without saving, Ajay?
No issues, no issues. Save it once.
Save and
Save.
I'm reloading.
JVP care. What happened, man? Indicator you're not there.
Can I
Maybe
close it and
maintenance
open
issue.
again?
What's it?
Can I close it and open again?
Fine. Close the entire window and open it again freshly. Now it's fine.
Yes, now it's fine.
Change the layout to daily analysis. It seems like layout
Daily only
issue.
there is some problem.
No. Seems like
Yeah.
go to settings. More settings. The status line. Go to status line. Yeah. Go to symbol.
No,
First
no,
one.
it's not. Everything's right. The
Scales and
indicator
lines.
is
Go to
gone
third one.
actually.
No. Go to third one. Scales and lines. Scroll down. Okay. Okay. Canvas. Okay. Fine. Trading. Go to trading. Trading. I guess nothing is made there. Okay. Alerts. Okay.
Nothing. No. This is not here actually.
So it is RG here. Go to RG. Reload it. Why it's not showing? Something happened for this layout alone.
Yeah. All indicators are gone. That's all. Nothing. Okay, I will just start the indicators again. The mocking are there, I guess, right? Mocking. Yes.
Gee, is Monday's use all day?
Nice question.
Go to Forex Factory. Just type F. That's enough. The toolbar. Yeah. Yes.
Sutta. Okay. Tomorrow leave every day. This is the first thing we should have done.
Because tomorrow, I guess it's Memorial Day. News Memorial Day.
Ah. Okay. What time is Memorial Day?
I I don't know what it means, but it is huge bank holiday. That's all.
Okay. Tomorrow leave.
போய் புள்ள குட்டியை படிக்க வைங்க போங்க.
Right, G? Okay, maybe we can continue. I will add the indicators.
How indicator manage everything?
Yeah,
All
I'm
of us
also
are.
not. Okay, I think we finished the EuroCAD, GBCAD, right?
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, GBCAD is yet to be done. EuroCAD also we need to see. Go to
No,
EuroCAD.
EuroCAD not good. I think so.
Is it?
Okay, sorry, EuroCAD.
Yet to be seen.
Size is reducing. Maybe touch seat here.
No, it has
I
swept
don't
to the
know.
previous monthly high and also all month high. Monthly swing high.
No. It's not all-time high.
No, G, that swing high, the one
No,
that
no,
formed in 2018 or
no, no, no,
2020.
no, no.
Okay. So, okay, then we have cleared the oil above. So, current oil will be their monthly APG. That's all.
It can also go either way, G, actually.
No, G, with current candles formation, it is highly probable to go down. Yeah, go down first.
Okay, let's see. I will mark both of those.
See, just 5 more days more, G.
Hmm.
If it has moved already means it should have gone higher. No means the next month we can expect lower prices.
Let's see how it's happening in the.
Okay, I will say it's neutral in monthly as of now. We will move to next one. Go to
Hmm.
weekly. Ugly, ugly.
Not good.
Yes. Go to daily.
Maybe it can come low, but
No, 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 no. Not good daily. Okay, daily short run has waste. The daily CB
daily
has been
sharp run.
violated. Daily CB has been violated multiple
See,
times.
geez, see, very ugly.
That's all. Move to despair.
And
GBPK.
for miners, this much ugly is very bad.
Go to GBPK. Monthly. Even daily it's ugly.
Daily it's still ugly, so why
No, 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 no. In monthly it is be a bullish, clearly bullish. Yeah.
monthly it's bullish?
That swing is our DOL. Okay. GBPK is bullish. But it is currently expecting previous month high, but still there is more possibility for that monthly swing high to be taken.
Hmm.
Weekly, okay. They haven't formed any BC. Gee, last week itself we were planning to take entry in GBK.
Last week, huh?
Yeah,
Buy
but
entries, huh?
by yeah, but we didn't get any proper P level in daily, so we omitted.
Hmm.
Also, that DOL was very near.
It's ugly, G, actually.
Ugly. Okay,
Because what we decided is minor should be very, very clear.
okay.
Otherwise, we might have in majors we can go to lower time frame and take a super entries, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right.
Minors, if you don't have something in daily time frame, it's not clear means no entry, no, not even think about that.
Okay, Nick. Go to Euro Sage.
We skip.
Go to monthly.
CG, don't daily itself it's not clear actually.
Ama. That's all.
No need to waste the time. Just go to daily and just finish it off. It
Okay, it is
is
respecting.
somewhat looking like okay, but okay, let's start from the monthly.
Go to monthly. Uh, okay, it is currently respecting that.
Bullish,
Mild
bullish.
bullish. Okay.
I would say bullish actually because due to this rejection and the
It's
candle
corrected all the
continuing
liquidity
upward,
below. Yeah,
say the bullish. Let's fix the DOL based on the weekly. Yeah, it's respecting as well. That's a good sign.
but currently it has rejected from the weekly FEG. Yeah, and weekly FEA.
It's a trap or order flash for the weekly thing.
We have weekly bullish OB below and weekly FTG and weekly FEA above.
Yeah. You will say this is so bad. Yeah, that's
Weekly candidate is neutral.
Atul, are you there? Atul joined to the meeting, went for sleeping.
No, I
No,
think
I
he
am
will be
here.
silently
No,
watching anime.
No,
Atul watching Demon Slayer, right, Atul?
no. I am listening.
Change the anime, yeah.
Are you Kannada get
No,
it?
Now what? Now what enemy watching?
Uh, uh,
Trading view enemy watching.
Okay.
I
Daily
don't
G.
think
Go to daily.
weekly is
Weekly neutral
weekly
G.
is somewhat good. Okay. So what I say is
No G.
weekly is
We cannot take
okay.
any decision as of now. Because it is respecting
Mm,
from bottom and it is respecting from top.
daily also it's not CB is not found. It's CB found is I will say this weekly if it's suspected. But
Hey,
we
go
can
to
only
silence
target
G.
up to here.
No, 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 no. Go to
I will
silence.
put
That's it.
I will put this waiting list actually.
I will update neutral only G.
Suppose tomorrow there's a busy forms means here.
Hmm.
We
Tomorrow
are
it
not
won't be
respecting this
farming.
and we can
Anyhow,
go
we
move.
need 2 more days to farm. By the time the VC has farmed, it
This
would have
week it
taken
will
that
be over.
ITH.
Okay, understood. G. I got your point. And G, the daily looks somewhat good actually.
Go to monthly.
Nothing
Okay.
monthly.
Monthly
Going to
fine.
week.
Monthly neutral, I would say. Go to weekly. Okay.
This is week.
Weekly. No, no, no. Weekly it is ugly, but there is more chance for going down. Yeah. After tapping the weekly is
Actually,
busy.
miners. I think miners we should not. We did not daily and 4 hour only because mostly miners won't be trending. I guess. Oh, sorry.
No, 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 no,
I
no, no.
wapas my dish.
No, no, no. Gee, don't
Now
read it
only
as
it says.
minus or minus. Just to see it in a price action
Mm.
view. If there is an FEG, go for it. If not, just stay in silence.
That's all. G. Nothing here. Not interested.
Weekly it's neutral.
This just one thing. So simple thing. G. See here. Low is taken. Next time high is taken. Today now low is taken. Low taken, high taken. Low taken, high taken. Nothing here.
Choppiness.
Yeah, that's all. But now we're
But
currently
there is
respecting
more
this
possibility
OB.
for coming down because no opposing period. And it has also respected recent daily CB.
Hmm.
Everything is tapped already.
Okay, I can consider this actually.
Let it form one more
Just a minute.
FEG. One more CB in daily. 2 CR.
It should have come again. Let's see. 3 times it tapped actually the same FEG.
No, no, don't see the intermediate ones. The first one has been tapped, that high has been collected and it's gone down. See it as 2 CR, that's
No, no,
all.
no.
Yeah.
No. What I'm saying is, if this need to be tapped main, that should be tapped by this candle, not some candle going down all the way down, then coming up and tapping it. I will say this is like a lucky move actually. If even if it gives me profit, that's not a great move. That's what I will suggest because this is tapped here, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So the candle closed here. So next candle should open. Next candle closed. This should be closed, and this candle should be coming down again and again.
Okay, Jay, no issues.
Okay.
We'll wait for one more
Not
FEG to form.
not not bad. I will put in waiting list.
Put it in waiting list.
I will take this
I would
waiting list.
say bind bearish
Yeah,
in
bearish.
daily.
Yeah, bearish only. Our flow structure are bearish only. But see,
Go to 4 hour. Ah,
4 hour.
4 hour is looking decent actually. Also, the context area is good in 4 hours. See, current context area.
Understood. But the thing is, it's a huge rejection candle. See,
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah,
so
you are
I
right.
will doubt suspect this. This FEA.
Hmm.
So price must have stopped here itself.
Yes, you are right, Jay. It should have been a big
Uh,
FEG, but he
mm,
went down and he came up all the way up and
from where
narrowing
did
down
you
the
say?
FEG. Yeah, you are right. Move to silence.
It's not good actually. It's already done.
Go to
Okay,
GJ.
I will also put in the list.
Hmm. Pandravi. Okay.
Monthly, going to weekly. Weekly,
He has suspected that swing high and he has closed it down. Yeah.
maybe we
But
can target
also
up to
the weekly FEG you can target. Weekly, as per the candle
but
signs, it
structure is
is
not
looking
good.
bearish.
It's full. Just see this Muji actually. How lovely.
Hmm.
Can you see this is a weekly thing? This kind of 2023 December, 20 December to 2024 July. Then see here, we're waiting for the breakout. False move.
Okay, no comments. We'll wait. Weekly also neutral.
Trap order flow.
Yeah.
I think it's right time to switch to index. That's all. G.
Yeah.
Oh, news is that. Okay, sorry.
Go to Euro Newsy.
G, I already went. You
Huh?
can see right Euro news.
Ah. What
ஜி
happened?
இப்போ நான் ஜிபி மியூசி மாத்துறேன்.
Ah.
இப்போ நான் மாத்துறேன்னு சொல்றேன். உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ ஆங்கிள்ஸ் வரேன்னு சொல்லுங்க, ஓகேவா?
Ah.
மாத்திட்டேன்.
இது உடனே வந்துருச்சு.
ஓகே.
ரொம்ப லேக் ஆகல.
ஜி
Sometimes
யூரோ நியூஸ்
லைட்டா டிலே ஆகுது.
சரியில்லை ஜி.
ஓகே, go to Euro Newsy.
யூரோ நியூஸ் சரியில்லை. இவன் ஃபுல் சைடு தான்.
இல்ல மந்த்லி
யூரோ
பாருங்க.
நியூஸ் தான்.
இல்ல ஜி
Full
டெய்லி
side.
கிளியரா மதிச்சது வந்துட்டு இருக்கான். ஆனா ரீசன்ட் லெக் ஃபெயில் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஆமா வேணாம்.
ஜி இங்க பாருங்க, அதான் சொல்ல ரீசன் ஃபெயில். இப்போ கடந்த 2 வாரம் ஃபெயில், நாளைக்கே அப்படியே செட்
ஆ
ஆகாது. அதான் ஜி இப்ப எல்லாமே இந்த ஒரு சிபி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் ஜி.
அவ வேணும்.
என்ன
ஒரே
சொல்றேன்னா
செஞ்சு
மைனஸ்
வேணுங்கிறாளே. ரோஸ் பார்க்கலான்ட்டு இருந்தா. சரி ஓகே. எல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வா காங்க. எல்லாம் ஊத்த போமா சப்பாத்தி போதும். हाँ जी.
Yeah. What I'm saying is, G, actually it's simple. The daily is not good, so I'm just eliminating this.
Okay, fine.
I'm going to GP News, G. Not bad. Let's start with the monthly. Okay, somewhat
monthly
bullish,
I
but
would say
didn't
neutral.
take in anything. Neutral.
But mild bullish, I would say. Country rejecting from that autumn law. But it was already rejected in weekly. Previous week highs on DY.
Nope. If it is small 2 candles, I would have considered this.
Enough. Omit.
So see, G, here it's very simple.
No minus, that's all.
So when we minus, but last time we just thought of taking some minus actually, but the price action became ugly now.
Anyhow, tomorrow bank holiday. Tomorrow there will be no movement. Again,
yeah, maybe tomorrow we can repeat the.
Again for the rest of the 4 days to see for any high impact news. Anything like FOMC or anything like that.
Yeah.
That is for say AUD. That is not a problem. Go for USD based news. Scroll down.
FOMC meeting minutes.
That is also not needed. Fine.
Bank
okay,
holiday,
not a big deal. Fine. Okay, till Friday we can see some more volatility.
Wednesday we can. Okay, Wednesday is not good. Tuesday we can have some movement.
Tuesday USD, CSFA, AUD, Newsy.
Newsy we not even taken for this month this week. Yeah. So let me put the color G. Okay. GBP we are going for bull entry. AUD
Newsy sidelines.
No. Gold yes, bull. Gold bull, right?
Yes.
Silver no. USD all disappear.
Okay, so these are all our pairs to be focused on next week.
So we will 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Total only 6 pairs actually we are going to analyze.
Yeah. In these 6 pairs, even if we are getting 2 to 3 entries, that's a nice one.
Yeah, but just a minute. What happened to this year actually? This was great, but suddenly Friday it reversed.
No, Ji. Yeah, he's reversing all of a sudden. Anyhow, our DOL was clear, the downwards one. But he's not respecting that
Hmm.
weekly FEG.
Okay, maybe. Yes.
Next week we
Actually,
can see.
what we should do is, yeah. Still here we can target. Let's wait for SEBI to form. When SEBI is
Yeah,
formed, we can look for them.
yeah, exactly.
All these things here. Here, this new C, JPY, everything. When SEBI formed, we can take
No
entry.
issues, or else on Wednesday we'll do a quick analysis for minus alone.
Yeah.
Wednesday evening.
Because we will do. We we skipped the waiting list now, G.
Yeah,
We will come back to waiting list and do the analysis. That's all.
yes, that's all.
Okay. I
Okay,
stop the
guys.
recording.
So minus is done. That's all for
So,
today.
Atul, any doubt?
Huh?
Any doubt?
No.
What are you going to do now after this meet is over?
Demon
I
Slayer.
will watch Arjo.
Arjo, which one you watch?
Now I'm watching